Do I come to you?
I'm waiting
Yeah,
on my
because
nurse.
I'm gonna slowly set them up. I
I'm waiting on the
believe
nurse
the
money.
format is.
I want to get my brother some these jerseys that came out because his birthday coming out. No fucking
How many more
need.
do I need?
4 more.
So just in case you guys don't know what's happening, I'm getting tarot reading by Karen.
Where I have not enough space to do this. Now I scoop the rest. Out the way.
Oh, that one's sick.
That's sick.
He also got in different colors.
I like that
The
red one.
yeah, classic, and then the red and gold.
Tony, the screen turned off.
Modern. What's up?
The screen turned off.
It's okay. It's just asleep. You can touch it.
Okay. So it's supposed to be.
Oh, and the black. These
Oh,
are all
beautiful.
the ones that they have.
So you had like an intent or a thought or a question or something like that, right? When you're picking out these cards.
Right.
Okay. So the first one is the present situation.
Okay.
All right. 3 of Pentacles. And then I Google. And 3 of Pentacles. Focusing on the task at hand, be it hunting prey or gnawing on cardboard, is distracting you from the bounty available to you. When you stop and take a look around, you'll see that rewards are yours for the taking. So currently, right now, you're in a good spot, basically. I thought you were laughing. I was like, what is that? Specifically from Pentacles. There you go. Yeah. Collaboration, enterprise, recognition, work. Okay. So when reversed, the 3 of Pentacles warns of shoddy work done on a project or disappointing results. There might be a breach of partnership, contract, or commitment, or there could just be unequal effort from your collaborators on this project. Your goal can be achieved only if everyone is willing to step up to the plate and put in the work, including you. Alright, and then number 2 is supposed to be the challenge or obstacles facing you. Okay, and you got the Lovers. Yeah, this is a major arcana. And the Lovers may indicate disharmony. Something may be off in a relationship with a loved one. Perhaps the communication is strained, or maybe you and your crush don't share the same values. The Lover's reverse may also indicate that you're not in harmony with yourself, that you and your partner are being pulled apart by outside influences, or that you're uncertain about the partnership. And then number 3 is supposed to be the past and how it influences the present. There's a 9 of Cups.
Reversed.
Oh, I'm reading it from mine.
Oh, from your end?
Yeah. That's why it was like, that's why this one was reversed.
Okay.
9. 9 of Cups says, it's time to celebrate your contentment. You're at a place in your life where you're truly content and you want to revel in that joy. Looking for love, you might just find the right person. Looking to progress at work, expect good news and fulfillment. Host a celebration with your loved ones. You deserve it. Let's see, number 4 is the future. 4 of Wands. When the 4 of Wands arrives, it heralds achievement on an individual and communal level. Reap the rewards for the groundwork you've laid, whether you've received a well-deserved title change at work or graduated from an education program. Revel in this momentous milestone. You've done a lot of great work to make it this far, but don't forget the supportive people who've helped you along the way. They saw your potential all along. Celebrate this new, fantastic normal with them. And then number 5 is goals or best possible outcomes in the circumstances. Oh. Alright, the moon. This card suggests that instead of exploring your subconscious, you're ignoring it altogether. Don't repress your instincts and emotions. Connect to the wild subconscious within you. Shed all your childhood baggage and accept who you are and what you want. Right. Number 6. Hidden internal influences holding you back, or the feelings hidden in your subconscious. You're making me nervous. Nine of Swords. There's a lot of swords. The Nine of Swords recognizes that you may be in a dark place right now. Something is keeping you up at night, and your pain and stress may feel overwhelming and unbearable. Depression and anxiety are understandable given the grief and worry you may be experiencing. If this card appears, know that you don't have to be alone right now. Reach out to those around you and seek support and love. Ask them to help you remain grounded, self-compassionate, and cared for. And then your number 7 is supposed to be advice and insight into the course of action you should take. Oh. So that's the Death card. Death isn't always bad. Sometimes it means a new start. In this case, the Death card indicates that you're resisting a change that's occurring and refusing to accept the ending. You may feel stuck or trapped, or that nothing you do results in the desired outcome. Death suggests that this is because you're holding on to the past, perhaps an old way of doing things or an old relationship, and that you're reluctant to move on. Only by letting go of the past can you truly take the leap and make things change. Right? And then number 8, outside influences, the people or other concerns affecting you. 4 of Cups. Four of Cups is a mixed bag. It could signal a period of rest and reflection, or it could hint that you're just fine where you are, and that you're not interested in more at the moment. Lastly, it could also indicate that you've been stagnating for too long and that you're growing bored, yet you're too stubborn to shake yourself out of your funk. Regardless of whether you're taking time to meditate and process, or if you're just sitting there bored and restless, the Four of Cups says that the energy surrounding you is stubborn and tough. And then 9 is hopes and fears, what you wish or dread. What you wish for or dread in regards to the question. Look at that. The Hanged Man. We got a lot of major arcana in here, dude.
Is my energy strong?
I can tell.
Happy?
Okay, when this card appears reversed, it indicates procrastination, lack of trust, and delays. You aren't putting your trust in the universe. You're just trying to fight the inevitable. When the Hanged Man is reversed, he appears ironically to be standing. He suggests that you've waited long enough, make the move, take that step, and do the thing. Your last one is the outcome or consequence of a specific query if the situation remains unchanged. King of Wands. I think I'll find him. Alright, King of Wands. When reversed, the King of Wands can be a little too controlling, overconfident, and hyper-competitive. The King might be advising you to be cautious in wielding your power and to be more thoughtful and considerate in your leadership. Being a leader doesn't mean being bossy, so be careful to remain a mentor and not become a bully. There you go. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major arcana, my dude.
That's crazy.
That's a lot. I think if I remember right, somewhere in here, because you have how many cups? Wands and Pentacles.
2 cups, 1 wands, 1 pentacles, 1 sword.
Okay, since you have the most cups, represents water and reflects matters to do with relationships, feelings, and creativity. Okay. Yeah. I mean, You can take what you will out of that. That
Right.
you need to accept change, move on, ask for help, and don't let yourself stagnate. Don't be bored. That is the heart of the cards, Evie.
Yeah, I see. Thank you.
Namaste.
No problem. No problem. That's all I have.
Beautiful.